Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to download Reddit on iPhone in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to ensure is that you're either connected to a Wi-Fi or a mobile data network. After you've ensured that, the other thing that you must ensure is that your iOS is at least 16.0 or higher. For that, head over to General in your settings, tap on About, and check your iOS version. This phone is running iOS version 26.4.2, so we're good to go. After that, you can simply open the App Store on your device, and then in the search bar of the App Store, simply type in Reddit. After that, you can hit Go or Enter on your keyboard, and then you can hit the download app right next to, and then you can hit the download icon right next to Reddit. Before you try to download any apps from the App Store, make sure that you have logged into your Apple ID account. If not, then the App Store will simply redirect you to log into your Apple ID account, in which you'll have to enter your credentials and then verify that it is you before you try and download any apps. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.